remain standing for the invocation. May I call on Aya and Anase, a grade 1 student.
Let us all put ourselves in the presence of we are ask you and
Before we announce the awardees from preschool department, may I call on Alex Renzo T. Sasson, a grade 3 student, for our opening remarks.
Dear teachers, parents, and classmates, good morning to all of you. Today, the 27th of March, is our recognition day. We are going to move up. It is opening up a new life of joy and difficulties, tears and laughter, and the new challenges of life. Some of us will stay and some may choose to walk the other path. But wherever we may be, we can assure you that we will make it through. Because you have been nurtured with strong foundation of education. In blue and green, we live after the name Domini Angelicus, the Lord's angels. If we can only fill up this world with children like us, this can be a better world. But what is important is we are amidst in this journey of life to make this a better place. Thank you and good day. Thank you, Alex.
Before we proceed, may I call on, we have a song number coming from Nursery Angel Sariel. Please welcome, here are the nurseries from Angel Sariel to sing to us a song entitled I Love You. Let's give them a big hand of applause.
Carl.